What do the dashboard warning indicator lights and cluster in the 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility signify? These lights provide crucial information about your vehicle's performance and safety. Understanding them ensures you're aware of any potential issues with your Police Interceptor Utility. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, adaptive cruise control, anti-lock braking system, battery, blind spot monitor, brake system, cruise control, direction indicator, door ajar, electric park brake, engine coolant temperature, engine oil, fasten seatbelt, front airbag, front fog lamps indicator, high beam, liftgate lock release, hood ajar, deep snow and sand, liftgate ajar, low fuel level, low tire pressure warning, low washer fluid, lamps on, powertrain fault, service engine soon, low beam malfunction, stability control off, police engine idle feature, police perimeter alert, police pursuit mode, pre-collision assist, ready to drive, stop safely now.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.